Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I hope everyone had an awesome 3-day weekend. So today I am going to be cleaning my kitchen. I have a lot of stuff going on in here. It was a busy weekend and it's time to just tackle these dishes, reorganize a few things, and get this kitchen straightened back out really quickly. So I'm just going to be doing a quick surface cleaning. And I was in the mood to burn my favorite candle, which is Marshmallow Fireside. It may be my favorite winter candle, but hey, I am bringing it out in the fall already. So let's just get started tackling this kitchen. You all know that I love all things glass and mirror everything, but they are the two things that get so dirty really quickly with fingerprints, just little pieces of dust. They pick up everything. So I am working on updating a few things in the kitchen, and I will share that with you in another video. I've briefly mentioned it to you guys before, but I'm really excited about it. So I'm gonna just move this stuff out of the way and we will come back to this at a later time, but it's gonna be really exciting. So I need some music to help get me through the rest of this process. So I am going to turn on my Pandora, and I have been rocking Ella Mae's radio for the longest now. I am in love with her channel and her songs and all of her voice. So that's what we're going to be listening to today. So I'm going to be using my Method Daily Granite Cleaner. I love this stuff. It smells like fresh green apples, and I actually was recommended this on my IG by some of my IG followers / subbies. So thank you guys. I really am loving this product.
K2 drip, drip, drip. That was on my wrist, they drip. Ay, K2 drip, drip, drip. Ay, K2 drip, drip, drip.
Alright guys, the kitchen is nice and squeaky clean, and I am loving when it looks like this. I just feel so accomplished right now. So I'm just going to take the remainder of the day and relax out and burn my candles. So I hope you all enjoyed this clean with me. I will be decorating my kitchen for fall shortly and switching up my vignettes. And as I mentioned, I will update you on what's to come for the kitchen. So I will see you all in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, Daisies.